Hey everybody, welcome to another review. I had some time tonight to at least do one, and I thought I should do the one that a lot of people would be interested in. So this is a beta. This is Norton Internet Security 2012 beta. So I went, downloaded the beta installer, did the install, and first thing that's different is you get a little widget deal, whatever you want to call it, up here for Windows 7 Vista. I'm not a big fan of these. I have it disabled on my system, so that's just a personal choice. We'll open up Task Manager here. Now we won't make an assumption on the memory usage because in a beta there's a lot more memory usage than in the normal version. But let's just get a kind of a rough idea, see how many processes and stuff. So we still have two processes, and memory usage is actually not that bad. It's 13, almost 14 megs, something like that. So that's not bad at all. And let's open up the user interface so you can see some of the changes. Okay, that's what the new user interface looks like as of right now. So we have our little activity map here. You can change it to see different things. Wants me to activate it, but I'll do that later. You have a little system status bar, I guess you can call it. You have your advanced update and scan now. These are nice because these are what you kind of do most often. So advanced is to change settings. I just left it like it comes from the factory. So, I got my trial period and all that stuff. And then you can do your live update here. I just did it 7 minutes ago, but I'll do it again just to show you. So there we go. You can do your scan. You can go back to your settings if you want this way too, but this one's a little bit more advanced settings. So you can do, your network, your web, general settings. So you can do performance monitoring, all that fun stuff. But everything's just going to be default, just like it is. So let's get down to the testing, I guess. Okay. Let's pick the first one here. So there's the first one. I think I might have accidentally grabbed yeah, it's the same link twice, so I'll get rid of the first one. So this is analyzing. For some odd reason I accidentally put 2 here. That's alright. That's basically the same link. Okay, and it says is not safe and has been removed. Okay. This is the second one. Okay. It says that one has been removed also. Couldn't find a lot of links today, so this is what we can do. I started looking for them late. Okay, it's blacked toolkit website, web attack, so it stopped that. I think that was an exploit website, if I remember right. Okay, this is uninstall TV flash player. It's not safe and has been removed. So far doing pretty good. Blocked an attack. Suspicious executable image. If you click more details here, let's see what it shows up. Okay, so you get what it was, severity, where it came from, network traffic from that website matches the signature of a known attack. Okay. We can try this one, I guess, too, but I bet you'll block it just because it's blocking it at the website level. Yep. Okay, photo1.exe. Let's see how this one was determined. Okay, been removed. So it's downloading slow, so I'll let it go in the background. Okay, ZX1. Okay, that one's not safe and has been removed. And we'll leave the last one here to see what it finds. Let me pause here because this seems to be taking a little bit. And while I'm paused, I'll drag in the. Well, you know what? I'll leave it. We'll just wait here for 45 or so seconds for it to download. But I was gonna say I was gonna drag in my testing tools, but that's alright because I have to do a scan anyway. Scan the system with Norton so we can see if it finds anything. I don't get what this trust level means. That's weird. 95%. I know what this is, but that's something new. Probably have to look into whatever that means. And that one has been removed. So it says that it has removed everything. So we'll do a full system scan, and I will be back when the scan is done. Alright, so it finished scanning here, and it found some cookies. So it got rid of the cookies, and then it says the system is clean. So that being done, what I'm going to do now is I am going to bring in Hitman Pro and Malwarebytes and do a scan with both, and I'll get the results for that when those are done. Okay, so Hitman Pro finished scanning, but it didn't find anything important. It just found some temporary internet files, so that's good to see. Though I do wish that if it said it had been removed, it actually would have deleted the temporary internet file too. It's not a big deal, but it would be nice that when it says that the file has been removed, that it would get rid of that too. You know, there's a difference in my opinion between removed and just blocked. I think it said that the file has been removed, if I remember right. And when it says that, I expect it to delete everything, but that's just a little something. So let me finish here getting Malwarebytes updated, and I'll be back with the result from it when this is done. Alright guys, so we got the scan back from Malwarebytes, and you can see that Malwarebytes doesn't find those files in temporary internet. So you can see that it's missing some of those, but Hitman Pro found them. So final verdict on the new, well, not final verdict, but final, little verdict on this video. Looks like another little bit of an improvement from Semantic, Norton, whatever you want to call it. It looks like with each version they're improving it a little bit and a little bit. I'm still not a real fan of their user interface. It's just too dark, and I don't know. I wish they would, it looks like they're simplifying it, so that's good. Excuse me. But it is a little bit more simple than it was before, so that's nice. Before it was a lot more complicated and stuff. So it's getting better and better, and that's nice to see. At least they're working at improving it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review. I know I didn't really go into depth or anything. It's been a long weekend and I gotta work tomorrow. So catch everybody later. You guys have a good night, and I'll talk to you guys later, maybe next week or so. Actually, not next week. Next week is Easter, and I'll be gone. So maybe the week after that. Everybody take care. Have a good night.